Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video we're going to talk a little bit about Panasonic headphones, and in particular we're going to talk about the Panasonic RZ-B310s. We're going to do a little talk through of everything you can expect to find in the box of your brand new headphones, including cables, earbuds, documents, the whole lot. We're also going to do a few more videos in this series around the features and some of the benefits and other cool things that you can do with these headphones. In my opinion, they're some of the best headphones Panasonic make at the moment, so they're really worthwhile checking out. So first of all, once you've opened your box, you'll be met with 6 different things. Obviously, we've got our charge case here with the headphones inside. That's what they'll look like. At the bottom of the charge case, you can see you have a USB-C port, that's for charging, as well as an LED indicator light. We'll get to that a little bit later on in the features video. But for now, you'll also find that you get 3 documents in your box as well. The first one being your Pan-European guarantee terms and conditions. So that's just a bit more information about your warranty, should you be interested in that. Next up is the Let's Get Started guide, which is a really great sort of quick guide that talks you through a load of sort of early steps you can do with the headphone in terms of connecting it to a Bluetooth device, changing the earbuds, and basically using some of the basic controls. So that's really useful. And then lastly, in terms of the documents, you've got the full user manual as well. So some light bedtime reading for you there. So that's the paper. Let's get on to the cable. You are supplied with a charge cable. This is a USB-A to USB-C. So you can see that that marries up perfectly with the charge slot at the bottom of the charging case. So that's really handy. And then best of all, you actually get 2 further different sizes of earbud with the RZ-B310s. So by default, the medium size earpiece is connected to the headphones, but you are provided with a large and a small as well. So for comfort purposes, you can play around and see what's right for you. Again, refer to your Let's Get Started guide because it's got the instructions on how to change the earpieces and the earbuds around. So that's pretty much it. That's all you can find in the box of your brand new RZ-B310 headphones. If you are interested in purchasing these headphones, then do check out our online stores for any deals and offers we've got running. Honestly, they're fantastic headphones. We can't recommend them enough, and we're really proud of them. So thanks so much for watching. Do check out the online store, and we'll see you in the next video.